Cisco Catalyst. 9800 wireless LAN controllers running iOS XE handle the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Catalyst controller keeps running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through two standard mechanisms your controller already supports. Cisco moves the packets, Purple owns the sign-in and the data. First, the controller redirects a new device to your Purple splash page instead of granting access straight away. The visitor signs in, and the page hands control back to the controller. Second, the controller checks each sign-in against Purple's radius service on the standard ports. The accounting data is what powers your visitor analytics. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.